National Convention, where we took briefings. We had briefing from the chairman of the National Caretaker and Extraordinary Convention Planning Committee of the party, Governor Malabu of Kobe State, and we discussed a meeting we are going to have with Mr. President tomorrow to further discuss on the party.
What is the truth that the governor of the party and the world costing the convention?
I think first we appreciate that Nigerians are interested in what the APC is doing, because Nigerians gave us their mandate by electing us into offices and holding us to higher standards, and we are very, very conscious of that. All the APC governors have met and as always have appreciated the need to work together with the other stakeholders. We have always been humble to acknowledge that we are not the only stakeholders of the party. To work with other stakeholders and to ensure that we deliver transparently, honestly, national executives that will earn the confidence of all party members.
Yes, the Technical Committee this afternoon came up with a timetable for the convention and general congresses. What is the position of the forum?
Until we finish the meeting with Mr. President, we rather not comment on any timetabling and any logistics.
Thank you.
The last question, sir. Last question,
Thank you.
sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
On live to this event.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.